Are you having transmission shifting issues and wondering how to reset your Dodge transmission control module? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 effective methods you can use to reset the TCM and help restore proper transmission performance. Stay with us until the end, and let's jump right into it. Technique 1, Throttle Pedal Reset Procedure. The first method you can try is the accelerator pedal method. This process is simple and doesn't require any tools, making it a great option to try first. Here's how it works. Start by turning on the engine and letting it idle for a few minutes. This allows the system to stabilize. Then, turn the ignition off completely and wait a few seconds. Next, turn the key to the on position and press the accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor. Hold it there for about 10-15 seconds, then release it slowly. After releasing the pedal, wait another few seconds before turning the key back to the off position. Then start the engine and take the car for a short drive to see if the behavior has improved. What this does is send a series of voltage signals to the transmission control module, which can trigger a reset of its adaptive memory. This is useful if your transmission has been acting up or shifting roughly. Just make sure you're doing this on level ground with the parking brake engaged and don't press the brake pedal during the process. Also, avoid turning on the headlights or any accessories while performing the reset. This helps reduce any interference in the system signal. Technique 2, Power Cycle Reset Procedure. The second method you can try is the battery disconnection method. This method is commonly used to reset various electronic modules in a vehicle, including the transmission control module. Here's how it works. Start by making sure your car is turned off and the keys are removed from the ignition. Then, open the hood and use a wrench or socket to carefully disconnect the negative battery cable first, followed by the positive cable. Once both cables are disconnected, touch the ends of the positive and negative cables together, not the battery terminals, just the cable ends. Hold them together for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This helps drain any residual power stored in the vehicle's capacitors and electronic modules, effectively forcing a reset. After this, let the car sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before reconnecting the battery. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative cable. Once everything is secure, start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes to allow the system to reinitialize. Remember to be cautious when handling battery cables. Always wear gloves and avoid touching metal parts with the tool while working near the battery. Also, after the reset, your vehicle may take a short time to relearn its optimal shifting behavior, so it's normal to notice slightly different driving characteristics for the first few miles. This method also helps the TCM restart with a clean state, especially useful if you've been experiencing persistent shifting problems or stored error codes. Technique 3, Diagnostic Scanner Reset Procedure. The third method you can use is the OBD2 scanner method. This involves using an OBD2 diagnostic scanner to communicate directly with the transmission control module and reset it by clearing its memory and stored trouble codes. Start by plugging your OBD2 scanner into your vehicle's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard near the driver's side. Turn the ignition key to the on position. Do not start the engine. Once the scanner powers on and connects, navigate to the TCM or transmission section in the scanner's menu. From there, select the option to clear codes or reset Keep Alive Memory, often labeled as KAM Reset. This function clears stored transmission data and error codes, forcing the TCM to relearn driving patterns from scratch. Once the codes are cleared, turn the ignition off, wait for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, then start the engine. Allow it to idle for a few minutes and then take the vehicle for a test drive. During this drive, the TCM will begin relearning shift patterns and adapting to your driving style. Before doing this process, make sure to use a quality OBD2 scanner that has TCM access. Not all basic scanners offer the ability to clear transmission-related data. Also, avoid hard acceleration during the first few miles after the reset. Driving gently allows the TCM to adapt smoothly. If any transmission codes come back right after clearing, it could indicate an ongoing issue that may need further diagnosis or repair. And there you have it, 3 proven methods for resetting the Dodge transmission control module. Whether you choose the throttle pedal reset, the battery disconnection method, or the scanner-based approach, be sure to follow each step carefully and give the transmission time to relearn its operating patterns afterward. If transmission problems continue even after performing a reset, there's a good chance an underlying mechanical or electrical issue may need further inspection. We hope this guide helped you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what vehicle you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.